Hello guys, welcome to this channel No. In this video, I will show you how to check whether a given number is even or odd. So before start, do subscribe my channel and let's get started. So friends, at first we have to create file name check even odd, then select main method, finish it. Now you can see our class is created. So we have to declare integer type variable. So int n semicolon. Then we have to create scanner object. So scanner is equals to new scanner system.in semicolon. Sorry, semicolon. Yeah. Now we have to import the scanner class just above the class check even odd class. So import java.util.scanner sorry spelling mistake semicolon. Now we have to print a message to the user, enter a number to check whether a number is odd or even. So to do this we have to write system.out.println, then pass a message, enter a number to check. Insert enter a number to check, enter a number to check, then semicolon, sorry, semicolon at the end. Yeah, right, spelling mistake. Yeah. Now we have to write n equals to object s dot next int, then semicolon. Next int is a method of scanner class. Now we have to give a if condition where we have to check a number it is even or odd. So now we have to write if n modulus 2 equals to 0, then curly braces system.out.println, pass a message. If the condition is true, then we have to print given number is even. If the condition is false, then we have to print given number is odd. So to write this, we have to write else part. In the else part, we have to print a message. So given number is odd. So to do this, we have to write system dot out dot println, then in quotation given number plus n plus quotation then is odd. Is odd. Now we have to save the program, then run it. Here you can see asking a number. I enter 44. Here you can see 44 is even printed. Now I want to check once again. I enter 23. 23 is odd. Yes, right. Like this way you can check a number whether it is even or odd. So make sure to practice and stay tuned for more exciting Java programs. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification for more coding and science content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.